to the lock on this side. It's quite a bit different. Was that chocolate? I thought you were opening a car part or something important. Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and I hope this is going to be a funny episode. No, we are fixing the Rust Ready again because it broke. If you'd watched last episode, you'd have seen how hard. We removed, deleted the centre bearing, so yeah, that kind of went a bit floppy, so you'll see as we go. We're making a few adjustments. We've also got a couple of mods to go in. Have got the brake biased and cut hubs to go in as well, so that'll be quite exciting. So we'll have a few things to do this week, so yeah, have fun and I hope you enjoy.
What are you doing now?
Just undoing the camber plate so I can, which I can add more camber to now.
Is that when your wheels are sideways? Yeah, sideways.
All the camber.
Why do you want that?
Because camber's good. You'll have more tyre on the ground. Yet another great way of describing it. All the camber, because we need all the camber. So yes, camber is good on a drift car. What it does is it helps keep the front tyres flat to the track to offer as much grip. Having as much surface of the tyre to the track offers more grip. So we do actually do that. I did it off camera because it's quite slow and tedious sometimes, where you're adjusting camber, you're adjusting your toe, you're adjusting your caster, all that with the lock, because obviously when you lock, your wheels tilt different directions, so your camber on that we set up does counteract that a little bit, so it helps keep the tires flat to the track. Just what you need all the grip, not all the camber, but camber is good. Just a wee to show you how much this sets out more. So then this one's standard still. Look at the difference in that. So that's pretty much full lock on this side to the lock on this side. It's quite a bit different. So we just melted the bearing off because yeah, came in bits. So now I need to get the new one on. So yeah, let's get it on.
Make a life for myself.
So after yesterday's annoyance, we have the correct bearing. So we're going to swap over the wrong one and put on the right one, get it on and fucking exhaust on and send it, and we'll go and see what it likes. So we'll have a wee skid. So let's get this done really quick. There we go. Fixed. Let's get fitted. So we're done. We'll just have a quick wee walk around of what we've done to show. So here we added caster. So what we've done is this piece here that used to be facing, you know, that out that way, so out that. So what we did is we clocked it, so it's now pointing more that way. So it's still got camber, but the wheels are further forward, so it helps with self-steer. So again, that side's the same. We added our hubs, obviously our cut hubs, so we've got one there that we've made ourselves as well, so we've got a spare. What else did we do? We added something else, but oh, I'm doing a brake biased, but I've not got it fit yet, so that's going to go down there somewhere. So yeah, so let's I'm going to go and give it a wee test run just to see how it feels. Right, we took the car a run, it's back on the ramp. There's something's loose on it somewhere, so that's for another day and another episode. So I'm gonna end it there though. Thanks for watching everybody, I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon because it does help. You can see when I upload. Cheers!